Hello everyone, Ryobi guy here. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. And if you happen to see a video or two, welcome back. But before we begin, I encourage you to smash that subscribe button below. And don't forget to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So as promised, today we're going to be unboxing the Ryobi Hedge Trimmer. I did a recent video on a promotion that Home Depot is currently running until July 17th. For 99 bucks, you get two 4-amp batteries and a free tool to choose from. I had a friend reach out to me and say, hey Ryobi guy, I'm looking for a jet blower that I can use around the house. And I said, perfect, because not only does Home Depot have a 2-battery promotion, they have a 3-battery promotion for $199. It's a 6 of 4 and a 2-amp battery, and a jet blower is one of the tools to choose from. So if you were to add up all those pieces individually, it's about a $200 savings. So it's a great opportunity for you if you're looking to start your Ryobi collection or build upon it, to take advantage of this promotion until July 17th. So, what we're here today is to replace my old school 1980s Black & Decker hedge trimmer. It's corded, it's heavy, but one feature I do like about it is its ability to adjust the handle. So what do we say? We unbox this hedge trimmer and see what features are inside. Charger. One 4-amp battery. The other 4-amp battery. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to charge one of the batteries, and then the other battery I'm going to use, as you can see, it's only got 1 bar out of the box. Let's see how long its runtime is when we use it. So let me plug this one in. It's got a little weight to it. Alright. So it looks like the shears have a black plastic protector on it. And here is the sweep. So that's it. And it's got the adjustable handle, which I like. Nice feature. Alright, so let me reposition the camera and let's put this hedge trimmer to the test. Okay, we are back. I got the Ryobi hedge trimmer ready to go. It's got the 4-amp battery out of the box. We'll see how long the runtime is. Just to go over a few safety things. Gloves, very important. If you have really thick leather ones, like gardening gloves, that might be your best bet for God forbid something was to happen. Those thick, bulky gloves may prevent your fingers from getting clipped off. I hear nightmare stories. These are your fingers' worst nightmare. I know someone personally who was using a hedge trimmer in the front of the house, and they have a pet dog that was perhaps circling around as he was trimming his hedges, and I guess as he went from the bottom to the top, he clipped off the dog's tail. So we don't want to have any of those type of incidences. You know, you don't want to be like Bob O'Heater from the '86 Mets, you know, clipping off your finger. So we're going to do this without any outtakes, you know, because if there is an outtake, that means I have my finger on ice and I'm running to the hospital to have them reattached. So we're not going to have any of that, all right? So this is very, very important to treat this thing seriously. So what you see behind me, I just have a quick row of hedges that I just want to, it's actually my neighbor's hedges that they're protruding onto my side of the fence, so we're just going to clip those off. All right, so let's give this thing a shot. And I got one shot for this. This is it. Because once I cut this, there's no going back. All right. All right, I can see that the power of it is kind of dying, so I'm going to switch it out for a 4-amp battery that's fully charged. The blades on this thing are super sharp, so it's really cutting through these branches like butter. It can do 3/4 inch diameter, so I have some pretty thick bushes here, or branches, and we'll see how it gets through it. All right, a success. Just a quick demonstration. No outtakes, no missing fingers, so it's a success. I'm the Ryobi guy. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great one. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, as you never know what bloopers and outtakes you might see in my next video. Until then, have a great one.